We have just landed at Tokyo International Airport. We will arrive gate number 7 of South Wing. Please make sure to keep your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft stops completely and the seatbelt sign is off. Please take care when you open the overhead compartments, as items may slip out. You may now use all electronic devices. Please check to make sure you leave nothing behind, especially cell phones and electronic devices. Thank you for flying Japan Airlines, a member of the One World Alliance. We wish you a very pleasant stay in Tokyo. Thank you.